first of all, wow, ang ganda-ganda mo naman. Hi love, sino nga ba naman ang hindi mahuhulog sa bungis mong mga ngiti sa tuwing ika'y nasisilip ko sa aking camera noon? At nung mas nakilala kita, ang nakakasilaw mong mga tawa ay refleksyon lamang pala ng dalisay mong puso na masigit kong hinangaan. Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun. Fast forward after more than 9 years of being together, kung saan iba't ibang pagsubok na ang ating kinaharap at magkasamang nalagpasan. Lubos kong pinapasalamat kay Lord na ikaw ang kanyang itinadhana sa akin sa araw na ito para makasama habang buhay. I'm falling for you. Waited all my life for this moment.
Hi love. Finally, after 9 years, we made it official today. Binigay talaga ni Lord sa atin ang moment na to. Sobrang worth it ang lahat ng pinagdaanan natin. From the time I met you, I had no idea that this day would turn into something beautiful as now. From being workmate na malakas mga sar sa akin, to soulmate. Like the sun, waking up the night. You're the light. Beyond blessed ako na tumayo beside you today. The one na kumukompleto sa akin, ang aking buhay, ang aking comfort, at ang aking purpose. I'm falling for you. Thank you for giving this love and chance for trusting me with all your life. We had our ups and downs, but hindi ka nag-give up sa akin. Even you saw all my flaws. Andyan ka in my greatest challenge. You were with me, celebrating my small wins. Thank you for encouraging me to bring out my best version.
The time has come, it's all begun, now and forever. With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever.
Sa araw na ito, I promise to be the best version of myself. Maging isang mabuting asawa at ama sa ating magiging mga anak. To be always your #1 cheerleader at mag-boost ng iyong confidence. Hinding-hindi ako magsasawang makinig sa mga presentation practice mo at i-guide ka sa abot ng aking makakaya. Mas hahabaan ko pa ang aking pasensya sa mga araw na may mood swings ka at hindi susukuan o mapapagod na may balik muli kaagad ang iyong mga ngiti. Also, I promise to be healthy, to eat healthy food and exercise regularly. Mga bagay na madalas mo din namang pinapaalala sa akin. Hindi lang for good looks, but I'm rooting for a deeper reason, which is para hindi magkasakit at to ensure na we will be together for a very, very long time.
Here at the start of something new, we feel the expectation, a new day waiting. Sky full of light, story unfolding. Open eyes as we chase the morning sun. Here and now.
For 9 years, I felt so blessed to have you. Thank you sa pagmamahal mo sa akin at sa buong pamilya ko. Thank you for every single waiting you endure to wait for me.
There's a world of endless color waiting for us to discover. Run into the open wide where dreamers come alive. We can see a new horizon. We can feel adventure calling. Step out on the open road into the great unknown. Here we go. Here we go. Wind at our back, our life.
Many of our guests here today would agree na hindi madali ang ating trabaho. Mabilisan, ma-pressure, at ma-demand sa oras. Pero salamat at nauunawaan natin ang isa't isa at sinisikap nating mag-adjust kahit marami tayong pagkakamali. Salamat sa pagiging karamay ko sa lahat ng oras, sa saya, sa lungkot, sa tagumpay man o mga kabiguan.
There's a world of endless color waiting for us to discover. Run into the open wide where dreamers come alive. We can see a new horizon. We can feel adventure calling. Step out on the open road into the great unknown. Here we go. Here we go. Open eyes as we chase the
Love, start today. I vow na kasama mo na ako sa lahat ng bagay sa buhay natin at ready na akong umalalay
We've
sa
only
I promise na nandito lang ako sa tabi mo no matter.
open eyes as we chase the morning sun. Here and now, we've only just begun. Open eyes as we chase the morning sun. Here and now, we've only just begun.
I will always be by your side sa anumang hamon ng buhay para alalayan ka.
There's a world of
Be always by your side to take care of you hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Mahal na mahal kita at mas mamahalin pa araw-araw. Love you.
We can see a new horizon. We can feel adventure calling. Step out on the open road into the great unknown. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we
I'm excited to unlock the new adventures with you. You are my comfort, my home, and my everything. Mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa aking salita.
Here we go.